everyone, Divyanshi again. I welcome you to the 5th episode of Know Your House by House Easy, where we take you through exciting projects of Noida, highlighting their flats, amenities and locality. We truly appreciate your support on our previous episodes of Know Your House, where we covered 4 exciting projects of Noida: Paras Seasons, Paras Tierra, Nimbus the Golden Palm and Paramount Floraville. Links to all these episodes are in the description below. Please subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos and press the bell icon for live updates. House Easy is a unique technology platform that enables customers to buy or sell refurbished homes at the best prices in less than 5 minutes. To know more about the apartments that we own and their prices, please contact us on 828282 5049, or you can also visit www.houseeasy.com. Well, without further delay, let's get started. In this video, we will be covering an established housing society, home to more than 1800 families, Prateek Wisteria of Sector 77, Noida. The project is strategically located in Sector 77, Noida. It is spread over an area of more than 15 acres and is one of the premium societies in central Noida. The project has 2, 3 and 4 bedrooms luxury homes with ingredients of high-end specifications, amenities and world-class club facility. The project consists of 20 towers, each with 20 floors, and 1,860 units, ranging from affordable 2-bedroom apartments to luxurious 4-bedroom apartments. 2 BHK varies from 955 square feet to 1,135 square feet. 3 BHK varies from 1,385 square feet to 1,735 square feet. And the last option is of 4 BHK, that is of 2,115 square feet. And the prices start from 60 to 70 lakhs for a 2-bedroom apartment. The clubhouse at Prateek Wisteria boasts state-of-the-art. The clubhouse is packed with a range of facilities, from 2 swimming pools with separate kids pool and the fully loaded gymnasium and the fully air-conditioned party hall. Other amenities of the project includes table tennis, cards room, cycling and jogging tracks, lawn tennis, badminton, basketball courts, skating ring, multi-amphitheaters, convenience stores for daily needs, bank ATMs, 24/7 medical store. Prateek Wisteria has a well-designed commercial complex with a range of grocery shops, salons, pharmacies and restaurants. The nearest metro station to the project is Sector 76 metro station that lies on Aqua Line, that is at a distance of 1 kilometer. And the next metro station is of Sector 51 metro station that also lies on Aqua Line, just 1.5 kilometers away. The Spectrum Metro Mall is just 3 kilometers away, and Logic City Center and Gore City Mall are just 8 to 10 kilometers away from the project, with easy availability of auto rickshaws and cabs. Prateek Wisteria is located in the proximity of proposed FNG Expressway. NH24 and Noida Greater Noida Expressway are 7 to 8 kilometers away from the project. It has some of the best schools of Noida, such as DPS, Raghav Global School and Ramagya School, are within a radius of 6 kilometers of Sector 77 Noida. In close proximity to the project, there is Tripathi Hospital. FYI, they have also covered the entire central Noida through drone shoot. So you can check that video out at the I button. If you are looking forward to buy or sell home in Prateek Wisteria, then you can connect with us at 828282 5049. For more such updates on other projects, please subscribe to our channel. And if you want us to shoot any specific project of Noida, you can also connect with us. House Easy is a unique technology platform that enables customers to buy or sell refurbished homes in less than 5 minutes at the best prices. To know more about the apartments that we own and their prices, please connect us on 828282 5049 or visit www.houseeasy.com. Also, to get live updates on the available units, please follow us on our social media handles. The links are given in the description below. I'll see you in the next episode of Know Your House by House Easy. Till then, take care and goodbye.